So hey family gang, this is your girl Bria. So in today's video, I'm going to do the passion twist on my own head. This is my first time doing it, so I wanted to see, wanted you guys to walk the journey with me. So we're going to do the passion twist, and I'm actually going to do the rubber band method, crocheted as well. So it's going to be crochet here. But once I get done with doing all my washing of my hair, because you know how you wash your own hair. But once I get done with that, then I'm gonna put the rubber bands in, and then I will come back. All right, y'all. So this is my hair after it's washed. I didn't flat iron, just blow dried it. It's thick. So I will return once it all is in rubber bands. Y'all look at this mess. All this hair. All this hair. All this hair. All this hair. All right, so like I said, I'll be back with the rubber bands. This is how it looks. Probably ain't gonna be perfect, but it's my first time trying it, so I just want to see if it works. So this is my hair and the rubber bands, and then I'm gonna start doing it. All right, so I'm back, and this is a little bit of what I have done, but I'm still practicing to make sure that I'm actually doing what I'm supposed to be doing. Remember, this is my first time, so I'm gonna come back when I get right up in here so I can show you exactly what I'm doing. All right, so since I've been off camera, I've been actually trying to master this thing, but I'm not a master yet at it, but I'm still gonna try. But I wanted to do these two on the camera to show you exactly what I've been doing as far as with this. So I'm gonna do this one. So I've just been doing the gel, and then I take some shine down, and then just trying to get my hair to be silky like the other one, because I'm natural. So been natural for 6 years, so just wearing protective styles all the time. So this is what it is. So I got my crochet hair, and I just do it something like this, just to have it so it can be the long ends. And what I do is I will, wrong way. But I will come that way up my hair. So I will come up like this, find the hair, put the hair on there, latch it, bring it back down through here, take it off of the crochet needle. And then what I do is I actually tie mine like in a little knot, and pull my hair to the side because I don't want to do that, and then tie it like that. So it's like a little knot up here, so you can't see the rubber band. Then I tighten the rubber band. You know, it's your own hair, so you can see how tight you want it or not. You don't even have to tighten it that tight. So then once again, I just spread this apart, grab two here, grab two here, and start twisting it. So, you know, this is it's not going to be perfect because, you know, this is my first time doing it. So as I go, I try to get some Shine Jam and some gel to get my hair to mix in, because, you know, my hair is natural, to mix in, especially at the end. So, and then I'll go all the way to the bottom, just a twisting. So, twisting. So how's y'all day today? How y'all been? I've been busy. As soon as I got home, I actually started working on my hair, washing my hair and all that. So you would twist it all the way to the end. So it won't come loose. And then I'll just do it like a little swirl like that, just to make it like that. I'll show you one more time what I do. Get it, wet it all the way to the end, especially the end so it can blend in. And then get my crochet hair, get 2 of them, and then I'll have it like that. My crochet needle. Move it out the way. Get it. Move the hair out the way, then get it. Then. So, actually didn't do too bad for my first time. Just my opinion. Just my opinion on it. Probably do that one over. But that's just my opinion. But I will come back and actually show you exactly how it looks once I finish this and everything. All right, so last night, you know, I did my twist. So it took forever. Once I got here home, I started washing my hair. I did all that good stuff. And once I got done with my hair, washing my hair and everything, I showed you the braids or whatever. But, and it's all gonna be in the video, but I just wanted to show you exactly how it looks. Actually, I did good for my first time. I dressed it up. I get these little beads, and then I did the wands, which I'm getting ready to show you exactly everything I showed you how to do it in the video, but this is just a recap of what I added in, what supplies I needed. Basically, that's what it said. What supplies I needed. So this is the hair I actually use. The water wave. This is the kind I use. And it's number 2. And it don't say, it just says water wave number 2. It don't say the inch, but I think it's like 12 inch because it wasn't that long. Brush, comb, because you see how thick my hair was. Comb. I use Shine Jam. I use gel and rubber bands. Remember, it's the rubber band method. I use a rat tail comb. Rat tail comb. That's what I call it. Might be wrong, but this is what I call a rat tail comb. Just to help part my hair. Some of my parts probably didn't come out right, but I still love my hair. I use the crochet needle. I use mousse after I got done with it. And that's everything I used on mine. I also use these little design head bead things. They're actually $1.99 at your local beauty store. I use this to accessorize my hair, and I also use the package is gone, but I also use the I can't even think of the name. The wire. I'm just gonna say wire, elastic wire, or whatever wire it is, for the fashion jewelry for your hair. So this is what I use. I have more upstairs, but this is what I use. And let me know exactly what y'all think about my hair first time doing it. Like, it is, I love it, y'all. I love it. And it's not even heavy. It's light. You could put it in a ponytail. You could do, you know, all kinds of different things, but I like it down so far. Yeah, I'm feeling myself on this one. So all together, I think it took me, if I didn't have to wash and blow dry my hair and everything, it would took me about 2.5 hours to do my hair, because my hair's so thick, and I had to part it. If it's not even, it's okay. I mean, I still love it, but part my hair, put it in rubber bands, did that whole process, which I showed you guys, and then I actually did the thing. So I actually, before I got on camera, I actually practiced a little bit to see exactly, before I got on camera, try to, you know, make sure I'm doing it right, so I can show you guys how to do it. So they gave me a lot of time to actually practice to make sure I'm actually getting it right. So let me know if anything, you have any questions, something, comment below. Please like and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching. Bye, until next time.